Hello everyone, it's Leonard French, your favorite copyright attorney, and congratulations on all your hard work. It's paid off. We have saved net neutrality. The repeal has been repealed by the United States Senate. Congratulations, we have won. This one minor victory in a very long, should I say, war, and this is just one victory. Unfortunately, it's just the beginning. We only had 3 Republican senators, Susan Collins of Maine, John Kennedy of Louisiana, and Lisa Murkowski of Alaska, joining the 49 Democrats that voted in favor of keeping the net neutrality regulations as written, as opposed to appealing them. This appears to have become a fight along political party lines in the United States, and so I frankly don't expect that we will have any vote in the House or any signing by the president. And so I predict that net neutrality is going to die its death and return to the non-net neutral ways of 2015 and before, which, as you remember, had things like Verizon and Comcast extorting multi-million-dollar payments out of Netflix. But regardless of all of that, we at least pulled together and won this one victory, and this will be an issue that will be a hot-button issue for the 2018 midterm elections, and we'll see whether that becomes something that motivates people to vote or what. I'm Leonard French. Thank you very much for joining me. Have a good night.